Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, March the 1st, 2021. We have two puzzles left, a binary puzzle and a tectonic one. And this one will be number 2402. Yes, 2402. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in this row or in this column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. And then we have here 1 2 3 O's in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have here now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And then double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. And then 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 3 minutes. Alright. Great. A binary without any comparing. So I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic one with 4 stars. Prepare. So we will see if it's really a 4 star. So see you then. Bye bye for now.